Have you ever missed the perfect moment because you were too slow to hit rec? Today I'll show you an incredible setting on the Canon R8 that lets you record 3 seconds before you hit the rec button. That way, you'll never miss an important shot again. What is pre-recording mode? A feature which makes the camera continuously record to the buffer, but doesn't save. When you press rec, it automatically keeps the last 3 seconds before the recording. Perfect for wildlife, sports, vlogging, interviews, and spontaneous reactions. How to enable it? Step 1. Go to Menu, Shooting Settings. Step 2. Find the pre-recording option and turn it on. Step 3. Choose a 3-second buffer. Let's see pre-recording in action. As you can see the Canon records before I press the rec button. If you haven't enabled pre-recording mode yet, do it now. It's a lifesaver for action videos, vlogs, and spontaneous moments. Just keep in mind that using pre-recording may drain your battery faster, so be prepared. If you like this tip, give it a like, subscribe, because more Canon R8 hacks are coming soon.